Jesus! Fucking whack your fucking mirror off, you stupid fucking prick. Fuck you, man! Come here. Yeah, you fucking pussy. Listen, bud, you run a red light and you get pissed off with me for coming into my lane. How does that work? No. You ran a red light. I had a green light and you get pissed off with me for running into my lane. No, fucking bullshit. How's it green for you if it's green for me? You're gonna get someone killed. Fucking idiot. Jesus, man. Can you believe that fucking guy? What a prick. You know what sets me off? If the dude just went, fuck, my bad. There would have been no fucking, I would have been like, cool, man, shit. But when someone gets fucking pissed off with you because they nearly fucking hit you, that just sends me over the fucking top here. And it shouldn't, but fuck, it sends me over. It really fucking annoys me. Fucking dick. He's all tough guy in his car until you get out. Rear-ended here. What the fuck are you doing? Stops in the middle of the road. package, neutral density package from Telesin, which I think is Chinese, but I've seen and read quite a lot of reviews saying, you know, for what you're getting, it's really good. So it comes with an ND4 filter, which is what you would use. What's up, buddy? Oh, fuck you too. Typical BMW rider. ND4, which is what you normally use in, you know, extremely or fully clouded days. Nice. Woohoo! Good job. It's what you'd use in very cloudy days. Then you get the ND8, which is kind of like a partly cloudy but more cloudy type of filter. And then you've got the ND16, which is for sunny days. So essentially what it does is this smoke is going to want to come in here. Essentially what it does is it's sunglasses for your GoPro lens, essentially. So it allows less light in, which allows you then to reduce the shutter speed, which gives you more of a natural motion blur, if I could put it that way, or movement blur, if you will. So you'll see that, you know, my focus point being the cockpit here on the bike, and everything else kind of gets kind of blurred away to the sides, and it just creates a bit more of a natural, more cinematic kind of footage, if I can put it that way. Over the tire slide there. Wonder why I got some tire slide. I felt that. Yeah, so it just creates a more natural cinematic footage, if I could put it that way. Picture. So yeah. So I'm currently shooting, I always shoot in 2.7K, but I normally shoot in 60 frames a second. 60 frames just gives you a little bit more leeway to do slow motion stuff. But with the ND filter on now, I'm shooting at 24 frames a second, because it just allows, again, it just creates more of that natural motion blur that I was talking about. And still on, so that's good. So what you'd normally do is, if you set your own shutter speed, she is running hot as balls. When you set your own shutter speed with an ND filter, you normally want to have your shutter speed double that of whatever your frames are. So if I'm running at 24 frames a second, I would lock my shutter speed at 48 48, 1/48, excuse me. The same could be if you're shooting at 60 frames a second. You would then set your shutter speed to 1/60. If you're shooting at 120 frames again, you would do 1/20. I think it's something to do with the rule of 180, which is cinematography, you know, type of rule that they film by. There's lots and lots and lots of information all over YouTube if you want to YouTube it and check the more finer details out. But yeah, so as I said, essentially it just allows less light in to allow you to open up your shutter more. Thank you, buddy. So you can have, you know, more natural movement in the footage.